Hello everybody, this is a Legacy School Grammar lesson for Year 6, Week 8. You'll need your grammar books from pages 30 to 33 for this lesson, a pen, and a paper. So today we're going to get familiar with the term used to, practice tenses with I did, I was doing, and I used to do. So what do these sentences mean? When I was younger, I used to read every day. Now I don't always find the time. By the 18th century, people used to travel more by stagecoach, but now everybody travels by cars or buses. My dad used to swim competitively, but now he doesn't do it anymore. Mr. Thompson used to drive very fast, but he had an accident. Now he is more careful. Tim used to have a Porsche, but he sold it last year. What do the sentences mean? They mean that an action used to happen very often in the past, but do not anymore. They refer to an activity that the doer performed for some time regularly as a habit, as a usual activity, but then he or she stopped. Now make the sentences on the board negative. When I was younger, I didn't used to read every day, but now I do. In the 18th century, people didn't used to travel by cars. My dad didn't used to swim. Mr. Thompson didn't used to drive very fast. What do these negative sentences mean? These sentences express that someone didn't do an activity regularly, but now he or she does. So these are the opposite of the sentences that we read earlier. The activity is regular or lasting for some time and not just happening once. Let's do a quick recap. How is the past perfect formed? The auxiliary verb had plus the past participle. Had gone, had done, had left, had started. And when do we use the past perfect again? When we have more than one action in the past and one of them finishes before the other action. By the time I arrived to the airport, the airplane had left, if you remember this from our previous lesson. What typical time expressions can we use with the past perfect? Before, after, and by the time. All right, so we're going to go ahead and look at our homework today, and it is sheet 30. All right, so we're going to write the sentences with used to or didn't used to and the verbs provided. Let's look at number 1. I had a yacht, but I sold it when my business failed. So, and then they have the word own in a bracket. I used to own a yacht. All right, you're going to continue on with the rest. You're using the word used to or didn't used to, depending on if the sentence is affirmative or negative. For number 48, you're going to choose from the alternatives given. For number 49 on page 31, you're going to underline the verbs which can be changed to used to work, or used to play. For exercise 50, write true sentences about yourself with used to or didn't used to, and add words from the box. The sentences don't necessarily have to be true. Use your imagination. For number 51, you are going to complete the sentences with suitable verbs of your choice in the correct form. Past simple, past continuous, or used to. And of course, for exercise 52 and 53 on page 33, you're going to choose the correct alternative and then put the verbs in the correct form, whether present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous, present perfect simple, present perfect continuous, or past perfect simple. I can't wait to see your work, and good luck.